What's up everybody, Grant here. So, getting ready for a race. A couple of you guys wanted to see how I load the car in the trailer. So you see I brought the car around the backyard. And we got the trailer set up here. I have it lifted up a little bit, so the approach angle is nice and easy. Got my little handy dandy remote here. So winch the car in. Of course it helps if you turn off the e-brake. But pretty much, so this is the 48 foot long classic Dominator trailer I made a video about before. Having this winch, oh my god, it's so easy using this winch to get the car on the trailer. Alright, so as you can see, there is not a lot of room here. We only have about a half an inch on each side. So that's one reason why I have a little mirror, and the other reason why I winch it in like this, so I can make sure both sides are nice and even. Voila! Surprisingly, this has not ended in disaster yet. Okay, so you see we got the car in the trailer. Fortunately, it's October, and it's still hot as fuck outside. So there's still plenty of room in the back for my bike and a bunch of other stuff. Going to the Gainesville Autocross this weekend. Probably the last Autocross, at least on these slicks. After that, we're doing a drift event and a drag racing event. So that should be a ton of fun. I am absolutely stoked for that. So you can see the car up here from the front. Not a lot of room with those 335s. So we got it all strapped in. Got the bike in there. Really need a bike rack in there. So you see we got this little winch device we use to lower and upper the ramp. On uneven surfaces like my little rock gravel driveway here. These little pieces of wood. So then it just goes up like so. So you see I made some modifications to the the little downspouts, or whatever you want to call them, at the base of the ramp. That way I don't have to tilt the trailer as much, which I still kind of do. The guy who owned this thing before obviously was a drag racer or something. Someone that didn't have to deal with a splitter. And then there's fun things like this, like you have to lower it again. So, god damn it. Well, until next time.